The final day has come. Welcome to day 10. I hope you all have set your alarm clocks and is here watching at 6 a.m. because this is your one and only chance to win the giveaway. Let's roll with the video, shall we? For my final video of 10 days of Halloween, I'm sharing with you some easy door decorating ideas. All the materials I've used were mostly DIY style with construction paper, streamers, and paint with some added items I've purchased at Walmart, Target, and Party City. I had a lot of fun with this project and I ended up doing way more than I planned. At first, you'll notice I was using my main front door as the model. I would decorate it, take it down, set up the next look, take that one down, and I did that for about 5 looks. And eventually decided to just relocate some of them onto all my doors downstairs. Most of my ideas were designed around my white door. You could definitely get more creative with colored doors, but all my doors are light, so I just went with it. Once I ran out of doors downstairs, I could have called it a day, but I didn't stop there. I eventually worked my way upstairs and I went a little door decorating crazy and dressed up 6 more doors. I'm not gonna lie, my hallway kind of creeps me out now, but I know my kids will love it, and this year needs a little more TLC, if you know what I mean. With that being said, here is what I did upstairs. I'm assuming and I'm hoping that at this point you all learned about how to win the giveaway, as I made sure to state it in every video. As I finish up this video, I wanted to extend my appreciation to you all for allowing me to be a part of your day. I hope this 10 days of Halloween was as fun for you as it was for me to create. It was a lot of work, but so worth it. If you enjoyed this, please let me know by commenting down below. Are you ready for the final secret word? The first one to email me the secret message wins. Ready, set, go.